everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are sharing a little bit of a bonus instructional video. You may have already seen on our shorts or Instagram page that we have shared this process before, but we thought we'd also share a talking process as well. We are sharing how to insert the taps that come along with any of our kegs. Our kegs will be included in the 15, 20, 30, 40, 60 and drum lock kits. To start out, we turn the keg on its back and always have the logo sticker facing upwards. We then use our keg spanner to remove the bung from the bottom. This bung can then go in the bin as it will no longer be needed. Make sure the tap is turned off before you begin twisting into the keg. We use the small hole of the spanner around the spout of the tap to assist with tightening the tap. Please be gentle with this as you do not want to snap the tap nozzle. Once the tap is then in the correct position and is tight enough to avoid leakage, you can then break the seal of the top cap. We simply use a pair of scissors to crack the seal and remove this. Then, using the other end of the keg spanner, we loosen the lid so we can open it. For best pouring results, we recommend opening the lid whilst the tap is filling up your bottle or measuring cup. This creates an airflow and will assist in a faster decant of resin. Please always remember to turn the tap off completely and tighten the lid when not in use. As always, we will list all of the products used in the description box below, which are all available on our website at www.uresin.com.au. We have Zip and Afterpay available with affordable shipping Australia-wide. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more weekly videos.